You answer a client, then your dentist, then your kid's school. It's a chaotic mix. If you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or small business owner, juggling a personal and professional life on one phone can be a nightmare. But what if there was a way to keep things separate, maintain a professional image, and ditch the phone juggling act? Well, that's where virtual phone systems like Grasshopper come in. In today's video, we're diving deep into Grasshopper, how it works, its features, and why it might be the perfect solution for your business needs. So, whether you're tired of using your personal number for work calls, or simply want to project a more polished image, keep on watching. Grasshopper, in essence, replaces your traditional business phone line with a virtual one. That means no bulky desk phones or complicated wiring. Everything is managed through an app and online portal. But the real magic lies in the features. Here's what makes Grasshopper a game changer for small businesses. Number 1. Choose your perfect number. First things first, you get to pick a phone number that screams professionalism. Grasshopper offers local phone numbers to establish a presence in a specific area, or toll-free numbers for a nationwide reach. Feeling a little fancy? You can even snag a vanity number that's easy to remember and spells out your business name. Number 2. Ditch phone tag with extensions and greetings. Gone are the days of endless phone tag. Grasshopper lets you create extensions for different departments or team members, so callers can be routed directly to the right person. Plus, you can customize greetings for each extension and even set up a main greeting for callers who reach the general line. This gives your business a polished feel from the first hello. Number 3. Stay mobile with the Grasshopper app. You're not chained to your desk anymore. The Grasshopper app lets you make and receive calls, send and receive texts, and manage your voicemail, all from your smartphone or computer. It's perfect for staying connected on the go, whether you're working from a coffee shop or catching a flight. Number 4. Never miss a message with voicemail transcription. Let's face it, voicemail can be a pain. Grasshopper transcribes your voicemails into text, so you can easily scan through messages and prioritize your callbacks. No more wasting time listening to long recordings to find that one key piece of information. Number 5. Faxing. Yes, we still do that. Believe it or not, faxing is still alive and kicking in some industries. Grasshopper offers a virtual fax solution, allowing you to send and receive faxes directly through the app. Ditch the bulky fax machine and embrace the digital age, all while keeping compatibility with those who haven't quite ditched the fax entirely. Number 6. Keep your personal life private. Here's a big perk. You can finally separate your personal and professional life. No more clients calling your cell phone at dinner time. Grasshopper gives you a dedicated business line, allowing you to maintain a clear boundary between work and personal calls. Number 7. Stay on top of calls with reporting. Grasshopper provides call logs and analytics so you can track your call history, identify trends, and measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. This valuable data can help you make informed decisions about your communication strategy. Number 8. Integrations galore. Grasshopper integrates seamlessly with popular business tools like Salesforce, Zapier, and Zendesk. This allows you to streamline your workflow and automate tasks, saving you precious time and effort. Number 9. Affordable and scalable. Grasshopper offers tiered plans that cater to businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a one-person team or a growing company, you can find a plan that fits your budget and needs. Plus, scaling up or down is a breeze. Simply adjust your plan as your business grows. Number 10. Peace of mind with 24/7 support. Let's face it, technical issues can arise. But fear not, Grasshopper has got your back. They offer 24/7 customer support, so you can always get help if you need it. Now, Grasshopper might not be for everyone. If you have a large office with dedicated receptionists, a traditional phone system might suffice. However, for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small businesses, Grasshopper offers a powerful and affordable solution to manage your business calls and project a professional image. So, if you're ready to ditch the phone juggling act and take your business communication to the next level, then Grasshopper might be the perfect fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy calling.